boys are watching Oso over here on the TV while Mama's making us some sandwiches. Let's go see what she's got. What kind of cheese do we got, Mama?
We got the Munster cheese.
Got the Munster cheese. Ooh, baby. Tobe's got peanut butter and jelly stuff. Got the organic yellow mustard and the Primal Kitchen avocado mayo. This is a little different than normal mayo tasting wise, but it's not bad. And then we've got some sourdough bread. The Arnold classic. I'm joking. The Arnold country style sourdough. It's pretty good. Man's wanting the food that Mama packed for us. What do you think, though? You ready to go to the park? Oh, yeah. A little AC fan on him, keeping the man cool. You gotta leave that alone. That's what's keeping you cool, bro. Let's see what Mommy and what you got? Peanut butter and jelly? Yup. Oscar's got his baba.
Don't touch it, Roo. Come here.
All right, ready?
Hold on. Roscoe's got puffs on his butt and all. Come here.
Got puffs on the butt. Sit down, Toad. The drone's going back up.
Look at it.
Wave at the drone, Toad. Say cheese. Look at Roscoe's face. Roscoe's loving it. Hang on. He was look at him. Roscoe's like, what is that? Let's see. There's the GoPro.
Here you go.
Let's go up.
Whoa, represent.
Yep, it's going way up there, ain't it? It's working really good. The video quality is really good.
Well, I don't even see it.
It's way out there over the water.
Oh gosh. I hear it. It's coming.
Wave, Dub Dub. Wave. Wave at the camera. Here. It's gonna follow us, okay? You ready?
Lay down. Lay down for a minute.
We're gonna put it on follow.
I'm gonna make you a bottle. Hold on. I'm gonna make you a bottle. Lay down.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go, Mama. It's on follow mode. All right, it's recording here. Look at it. It's turning with me. Hang on, we're gonna go get the GoPro. Look at that, Toad. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. You gotta stay. Look, it's following Daddy. Look, watch. Look, if you run from it, it'll follow you. Look, run. Go. Run from it. Run from it. Run. Go.
Here, Roo. Bye-bye.
That is crazy.
Lay down.
It's crazy that it follows you that well. Come this way, Toad. Come on, run. We gotta go fast. Go. Go. Look at that. Isn't that not insane?
It is crazy.
And I just put my hand out, it's supposed to land.
Landing.
That's insane.
1.
All right, run from it. Give me the GoPro. We're chasing kids out here with the drone. Go, Tom. Uh-oh, turn around, towards Mommy. Look at the video it's getting too. No, don't go in there. All right. Run this way. Go. Run, Tom, run from it.
Stay right there.
Hey, Mommy, put your mic on him. Got it? All right, come on, Tobe. Run from it. Run, run. Run, run. Hey, you got the audio. Uh-oh, he sat down. And it stopped on a dime. He accidentally fell, buddy. That thing stopped so quick. Run, Tobe, run. Yeah, look, it's still following you. It's gonna get you. Run, run, run. Go, 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 go. Is that not awesome? That's insane. Look, run up this way. Run. Go up that way. And come back to daddy. Keep going. Keep going. Run, 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 run. You gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta outrun it. You gotta outrun it, Tom. It's going to get you. Oh, it's okay. Oh, it even caught that on an action. It's all right. Get back up. You're a big boy. It didn't hurt you. All right. Hang on. Here. Hold this. Can you put your hand out underneath it? Put your hand underneath it.
Landing.
So easy a kid can do it. That's insane.
Droning.
This thing has been very cool.
See what we got going on. Do a little 360.
Little split shot on here.
Thinking? A hook.
Yep, it's a hook.
Nice. You ready, fish?
All right. We are ready to fish.
Let's go.
Come here, Tub Tub. So we got the ultimate fishing rod here. This is Lightning McQueen Cars fishing pole, Tobe.
Okay.
You gotta wait for it to, you see how it's bobbing? You gotta wait for it to go under the water and then you're gonna pull on it.
Okay.
You gotta wait. You gotta wait to reel. We're watching that little red bobber.
Red bobber.
All right, reel a little bit. Reel it just a little bit. Reel yet? Wait, wait, wait. We gotta wait.
I got water with it.
Yeah, we gotta wait. Look, you're getting a bite.
Oh, get
See,
back.
it's moving a little bit. You gotta wait.
I got water with it. I did. I got walk on the water. Daddy, this is?
Huh?
This.
You want daddy fish?
This.
Hey, what is up, YouTube? So, hey, YouTube. Good job, Tobe. So we just got, what is this? The sweet frog?
Sweet frog.
It's mine and Tobe's first time eating this. Gabby's had it before in Ohio.
I haven't had it in a very, very long time.
It was good though. It's not quite ice cream, but for it to be frozen yogurt, it tastes pretty good. Closest thing I remember to this is Frizzoli's before it shut down in our little town. But man, the park was great. The drone was fun. There's gonna be a little video of Tobe running away from it, laughing, and even when he fell, he would fall and then the drone would just stop right there as soon as he fell. Like it wouldn't run into him or nothing because he stopped sudden, which is pretty cool. And battery didn't last super long. I think it says it's 18 minutes. I mean, it might have been 18 minutes. I was having the time of my life flying it around, so probably just because time was going fast. Roscoe's about to join up here. It was hot and it was a good day, but it was a hot day. I'm telling you, this heat wave that we've got here in North Carolina, it's like 100 every single day and it feels awful.
It's awful.
So hopefully next week will be a little better on the heat and we'll actually be able to go do some stuff. Roscoe, you trying to get into the frozen yogurt? What are you doing? You ain't getting no frozen yogurt. You ain't old enough yet. We don't know if there's any honey in there. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. You're trouble. You're trouble. Troublemaker. No, you ain't a troublemaker. Are you a good boy? Are you, oh, he's good. He's good, ain't he? You ain't trouble. All right, well, thank you guys for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it, and thank you.
Mommy.